Hey bro, welcome to my stream, glad to see you here. I do want budge open. Don't have any idea
No
how.
sense standing around.
I don't have any idea how to open it. Alright, let's go. Can't get on that. I wonder if we can climb that. No, Shepard can't climb that.
Right behind you, Shepard.
Right, it's time to leave this cold place. Let's get to the sick bay. Need to restore our med gel supplies. Also, we need a fighter. I don't know, like, or maybe not. Probably somebody who can wield. I wanted to say magic. We need somebody who can wield more powers. I mean, Rex can. I don't know about Garrus. Garrus is cool. Although, I don't know. Let's see. What, more planets? Right, Raisha we have explored. Plansal we explored. Let's go to Nehrum. Nehrum is a terrestrial world with a thin atmosphere of methane and argon. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of basaltic rock. Its most prominent feature is the Elos Rift Valley, a long volcanic divergence zone that stretches across half of the northern hemisphere. Orbital period 6.3 Earth years. Radius 6,779 kilometers. Day length 31.7 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.76 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 58 Celsius. Surface gravity 0.82 G. Hey Connie Spartan, welcome to my stream, glad to see you here. Well, we're reading here while exploring about every planet we visit. Light metal surveyed. While scanning this planet, you detected a large deposit of titanium on a nearby moon. Heck, why not? Nearby moon, titanium. Doesn't that give us anything? Thanks for shouting out Connie Spartan, bro. Grammar. Well, that's just a bit unexpected, but why not? What's out here? Grammar is an icy terrestrial with a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and krypton. Its surface is mainly composed of frozen ammonia with deposits of tin and other light metals. When exposed to sunlight, Grammar's ammonia can melt, forming equatorial seas with a toxic chemical. This has allowed a profusion of simple fungus and lichens to evolve in a low-energy environment. The byproduct of their metabolism causes them to glow very faintly. While the light of an individual is insignificant, large patches seem to reinforce the light of one another and are visible from space. Cool! Orbital period 35.4 Earth years, radius 3,691 kilometers, day length 61.7 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.27 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature minus 84 Celsius, surface gravity 0.28 G. I was on the best corporate workers rewards event, so well, we were celebrating today. A bit tired, but still, we can stream this day. How about you? Jartar. Jartar is the terrestrial world with a trace atmosphere of krypton and xenon. The surface is hot and mainly composed of unremarkable silicates. Occasional deposits of aluminium, magnesium and other light metals can be found. Jartar is noted for the discovery of the Leviathan of Dis, the apparent corpse of a genetically engineered living starship. The Leviathan was found on the bottom of a crater by a Batarian survey team, and estimated to be nearly 1 billion years old. It disappeared after a visit to the system by a Batarian dreadnought 20 years ago. Since then, the Batarians have steadfastly denied that the Leviathan existed at all, and all the more vociferously when shown recordings of the corpse made by Solarian researchers. Orbital period 2.8 Earth years, radius 1,410 kilometers, day length 2.8 Earth years, atmospheric pressure 0 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 82 Celsius, surface gravity 0.17 G. They're good, nice. You're playing Avatar, Frontiers of Pandora. Ooh, nice. Well, it's probably might be the interesting game. How is it, by the way? What's it here? MSV Ontario. How is it? How is it like, this Avatar? Frontiers of Pandora. What genre it is? I wonder. Juntoma. Juntoma is a small, broiling terrestrial world. Its thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and ethane is being steadily blown off by the powerful solar wind from the star Farinata. The surface is scorching hot and mainly composed of sulfur with deposits of copper. Its density is low enough to leave the world tidally locked to Farinata. The Alliance Defense Data Network knows that several ships have been spotted cruising near Rintauma with transponders turned off. While an Alliance patrol attempted pursuit of one, the unidentified vessel rabbited to FTL. Its trail was lost when it obscured its slight trace in the confusion of signals along the Unsunny Ishtar shipping lane. Orbital distance 69.9 astronomical units. Orbital period 102 Earth years, radius 4,227 kilometers, day length 102 Earth years. Atmospheric pressure 0.36 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 1,176 Celsius, surface gravity 0.38 G. Survey. Prothean data disk discovered. Scans of Juntoma revealed derelict freighter in mid-stage orbital decay. Your salvage team boarded the vessel and determined it had been attacked by raiders. There was little of value still on board, but the team did find a Prothean data disk. Aliens extinct races. Protheans, data disks. Despite all the evidence confirming the existence of the Prothean, little is known about their culture and society. From time to time, dig sites will yield new clues, but after 50,000 years of decay, little of value is unearthed. Recent research have focused on the discovery of Prothean data disks. On their own, they are frail and rarely found in one piece. Occasionally, however, an intact disk will be discovered within a console or reading device. To date, over 3,000 disks have been recovered, and few of those have been restored to the point where researchers can begin analyzing them. Though it may be some time before scientists discover a way to transfer the data of the disks, they are currently considered the most tangible leads for learning more about the Prothean culture. Systems Lines Geological Survey. As the human race expands its territory and raises the general standard of living, demand for industrial resources continues to grow. Many planets, moons, and asteroids contain a wealth of resources, but many systems have barely been charted, let alone thoroughly surveyed. Unmanned probes are one solution, but they are often lost to space hazards, unforeseen circumstances, or theft by salvagers. In recent years, Astrological AGES, the Alliance Geological Service, has offered bounties to private individuals or teams willing to perform mineralogical surveys on the frontier. This survey data is made publicly available to further corporate development. Due to the cost of travel and the dangers of operating on hostile worlds, it is rarely a profitable endeavor. Light metals with low atomic weight are often used in the construction of spacecraft and vehicles. Heavy metals with higher atomic weights, are used to construct equipment components. The platinum group elements are particularly useful. Rare earths. Most useful materials in this category are radioactives or magnets. Gases. Various gases are required to support all known forms of sapiens life. Some are commonly used as fuel. Just by surfing we made like 1000 experience points. Nepnew. With a rare combination of features, Nepnew is of particular interest to the scientific community. Nepnew is a small terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and krypton. As with all the worlds of Farinata, its surface is scorching hot. The crust mainly consists of silicates laced with iron. Orbital period 302 Earth years. Radius 3,742 kilometers. Day length 30.1 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.23 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 848 Celsius. Surface gravity 0.27. Let's survey it. Rare elements surveyed. While scanning this planet, it detected a large deposit of thorium on a nearby moon. Dungashon is a hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of chlorine and nitrogen in its atmosphere. It has an unusually small number of moons for a gas giant, a mere 7. This is no doubt due to the star Farinata capturing the majority of the mass during the nebular collapse that created the system. Orbital distance 5.6 astronomical units. Orbital period 3.2 Earth years. Radius 42,418 kilometers. Day length 9.1 Earth hours. What? Really? It rotates that quickly? For 42,000 kilometers planet, it really rotates too quickly for me. MSV Ontario. The Ontario is a Colloon-class modular conveyor of human design, configured for mixed freight and passenger hauling. It is making a hard burn for the cover of an asteroid cluster. Registry, private owner, Citadel Station. Let's board it. Let's take Caden and Rex. Well, hello. Medicine. Yeah, take this neural shock. Alright, we're not taking stasis. Advanced throw, advanced sabotage. Good thinking, Rex. He's taking shotgun. We're opening the crate. Sniper rifle and heavy armor human. 120 credits.
Intruders!
You there, just die, alright? No. Kaden, can you please lift this person? And I'll just disable the shield of this one.
I will destroy you!
Holy fuck.
I will destroy you!
I will destroy you! You must die! I will destroy you!
I can't do anything. Dead. Kick away. They don't care about using cover or anything.
Yeah, let's move.
Right. That was funny.
You must die!
I will destroy you!
You must die!
I will destroy
I can't use tactical screen well.
you!
I will destroy you!
Right. Enough of this shit.
I will destroy you!
Retreat, retreat.
I will destroy you!
Just kill this bitch. Two bitches remain. Why can't I use any abilities, I wonder?
I will destroy you! Come on!
Dead and done, just the way I like 'em.
See how it is? You write letters and everyone ignores you. Force is the only thing people appreciate. So how about if I kill Chairman Burns and finish the charade? Please, I was trying to help you people.
Rex speaking at lo-fi, kijk away.
Let's not do anything we're all going to regret.
Why not? What have we got to lose? Since the chairman here decided that we didn't get reparations, we've got nothing left to live for.
But I've changed my mind. Seeing you all, it's clear that you all deserve...
You had your chance. Some L2s are nearly crippled from side effects of the implants, but you voted against reparations.
You don't have to die. Take him down.
Think about this. Burns is the one man who can help you.
Yes, if you release me, I can take another look at the reparations request.
What, we're supposed to trust you?
I'm an L2 like you. Trust me. The commander can make sure that Burns follows through.
Sure, you promise us freedom and say everything will be fine, but as soon as we surrender, you'll double-cross us.
I'm not promising to let you go. All I'm saying is that Burns will take another look. Right, Burns?
Absolutely. I had no idea that the L2 biotics were this desperate. If I'd known, the reparations will come. For whatever it's worth, I promise that.
You're right. I don't want to die. Maybe something will happen this time. We surrender.
Thank you, Commander. I thought I was dead when they took me. I'll see to it that the reparations discussion is reopened. I didn't know they were so desperate.
The 5th Fleet cruiser will be by shortly to pick you and the prisoners up.
Thank you, Commander. I thought I was dead when they took me.
Easy decryption. Oh, we have some equipment here. Armor upgrades. Stupid thing is, while we have... Damn it doesn't need that. The stupid thing is, while we are down by some biotic abilities, we can't issue orders for our teammate. So they are basically using their weapons and might not use them effectively. Oh, we have a level up. Yeah. We need this neural shock. Also, we need this shield boost for freak's sake. Fuck, we needed to use that, damn it. Forgot about that. Right, Rex, you need some carnage. This immunity, yeah, right. What? It's almost doubled his health points, or so I thought. Easy. Scimitar 2, Heavy Armor Human Guardian 2, and Cipher Tool 2. Take a look at the Cipher Tool. Shield bonus. We have this shitty armor. No better pistols. Average decryption. Edge 2, Shotgun Hurricane 1, Assault Rifle Avenger 2.
Thank you, Commander. I thought I was dead when they took me.
More crates to crack. Sniper rifle, medium armor Krogan, and light armor human. Duelist 2, finally some armor for us. Holy shit. More shields, less biotic protection, and less damage protection. Actually, it's shit. We have more bonuses with this one, Scorpion 1. Hey Caden, do you want some light armor? Yeah, actually, this is better for him, I guess. Functioning object. Shield battery 2. Plus 45 shields. Pistol and assault rifle. As far as I can see, we're still on this shit here. Why did we mount this? Funny. Probably is for better strategic advantage, but the enemy is just they just keep on attacking. I mean, they think they're immortal with their shields. Well, basically, a bunch of biotics almost are immortal while they use all of their attacks simultaneously. Well, I can't see any other objects to loot. Hey Rex, I think we have some better armor for you. It's not. He has the better one. Yeah, he has the better version of it. Yeah, we need to visit sick bay and replenish our Medigel supplies.
Anything you need, Commander?
Just trying to get a sense of where the crew's at. Thoughts?
I've wasted enough of your time for now, Commander. We'll have time for personal debriefings later.
We'll talk another time, Lieutenant.
Commander?
Edge 2 and another scimitar. And a grenade. Yeah, we spent 2 Medigels there. Maybe I should allow it to use their powers. At least this way, when Shepard is incapable of using tactical mode, my teammates might use some of their abilities.
Message coming in. Patching it through.
Thank you for dealing with the hostage situation, Commander. Chairman Burns was quite impressed by the way you resolved the situation peacefully. Your assistance above and beyond the formal duties has been noted, Commander. Fifth Fleet out.
Right, what have we here? A gecko. During the initial survey of Antaeus' system, only a single flyby probe was spared for the small scorched world of a gecko. It revealed the planet unusually rich in heavier elements given its size. A gecko is a standard terrestrial with a thin atmosphere of krypton and xenon. Its crust is mainly composed of magnesium with deposits of cobalt and other heavy metals. Due to the extremely rough crater terrain, starships are discouraged from landing. Orbital period 0.1 Earth years, radius 2,147 kilometers, day length 59.9 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.27 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 346 Celsius, surface gravity 0.25 G. If it's rich, why didn't we send any probe ourselves? Atmos. Atmos is a standard hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of methane in its atmosphere. If Trevin's terraforming is successful, it is expected that a helium-3 fuel refining facility for this system will be set up here. Orbital period 7.8 Earth years, radius 36,826 kilometers. Day length 13.7 Earth hours. Let's survey it. Gas deposit surveyed. While scanning the planet Atmos, you detected a large concentration of hydrogen. Anything particular it might give us? Experience and credits, why not? It's certainly more profitable than Gamba. Although high stakes Gamba might be as profitable. Ploba. Ploba is the second and by far the larger of Antaeus' two gas giants. Active scans by survey ships have returned tantalizing indications of massive solid structures deep within the atmosphere, too regular in pattern to be anything natural. Some believe Ploba is the Jupiter brain, a planet-sized supercomputer. Adherents of this theory have fruitlessly beamed signals toward the sunken megastructures, hoping to get the machine's attention. Others believe that an ancient spacefaring race disposed of their weapons of war by dumping them into the planet. The last attempt to reach and salvage Ploba's deep anomalies went tragically wrong and ended with a crew of 12 being trapped and crushed in the gas giant's lower atmosphere. Orbital period 20.4 Earth years, radius 74,221 kilometers, day length 17.3 Earth hours. Matriarch's writings discovered. You recovered a strange object orbiting Ploba. Chief Engineer Adams and Tully tried unsuccessfully to determine its origin. They did find one of Matriarch Dilinaga's writings stored within. Sorry writings. Keep searching until you find all the missing writings. Are you freaking kidding me? What? I thought that this part of control didn't work. Trevin. Ooh, we can land there. Trevin is a modest terrestrial world with an atmosphere composed of nitrogen and argon. Its surface is mainly composed of nickel with deposits of silver. Trevin's environment is relatively mild, but the scarcity of water or similar enabling substances has prevented the development of any biosphere. ExoGeni Corp recently performed a test impact of a single water-ice comet into the surface, the first step of a long-term plan to thicken the atmosphere and introduce water to the environment. A survey team is on the surface monitoring the geological and meteorological effects of the test impact. Most of the water released is still in the form of atmospheric vapor, but thick cloud banks have formed. There is every indication that this arid world will soon see its first rain. The survey team's progress has been hampered by frequent mechanical or computer failures in their GPS satellites. Orbital period 1.1 Earth years, radius 5,489 kilometers, day length 41.8 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.84 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 8 Celsius, surface gravity 0.86 G. Right, Trevin is supposedly habitable and landable. Vamel. Vamel is an enormous terrestrial world of mixed rock and ice with an atmosphere of methane and ethane. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of calcium with deposits of iron. Because of noxious surface gases, explorers are warned to use extreme caution. Orbital period 37.5 Earth years, radius 10,314 kilometers, day length 36.3 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 1 Earth atmosphere. Surface temperature minus 61 Celsius, surface gravity 1.1 G. If not for the atmosphere composition, it might be habitable. Well, almost, with the surface temperature. But surveyed. Rare element surveyed. Scans from orbit have detected a large deposit of uranium. Lots of credits it gave us. Humidor is a moderately sized ice world with an extremely thin atmosphere composed of krypton and xenon. Its frozen surface is unusually smooth, suggesting widespread repaving by cryovolcanic processes through no such activity, though no such activity is currently evident. Orbital period 90.5 Earth years, radius 3,686 kilometers. Day length 48.2 Earth hours, atmosphere pressure 0.2 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature minus 202 Celsius, surface gravity 0.22 G. Let's land on Trebin. Let's, I don't know, take Ashley and Tali to level them up. Right, we have something here. Research base, anomaly, debris, and then another anomaly. What have we here? 10 points. A new sniper rifle. Please do use sniper rifles. Fitness. Hey, Tali. Alright, we leveled everyone up. I wonder how some gamers make this thing fly. I mean, high up. Is there any mod for this? What's this? Ancient debris. Turian insignia recovered. There are no signs of any survivors. The pod is empty except for a small tattered flag marked with the Niminus colony insignia. Holy shit, what is it? What the fuck is it? I think we missed with our gun. Oh well, that was fun. Let's finish the exploration of this world, and if this base requires us to go deeper, we'll just stay there, alright? Why do we find some shit just by exploring?
Cover me.
Plutonium deposit. Rare element surveyed. We have successfully surveyed a small deposit of plutonium. Okay, so there is need to we'll need to get back to other planets and survey them however possible. Right, what's our radar strength? Little. That's shit. we've got Banshee too. Hammerhead rounds, phasic rounds, and motorized joints. Transmitter tower. Deactivate, why? Is it bad that it's going up? Discover this device is transmitting tight beam signals into geosynchronous orbit. This disrupts the survey team's GPS satellites, causing them to crash nearby. How smart. Right, we're going to the research base to finish this tree. I like how cool it's moving. Well, there's something closer over there. What is it? The place seems deserted.
Looks like nobody's home.
Alright, we'll just happy marauders around here. Stimulant pack. Easy decryption. Edge 2 Striker and Avenger. Oh, Striker 3 is it's a better version of our pistol. Yeah, no. We need Stinger. Shit. Oh, come on. I thought we needed a Striker. Oh crap. Let's look around and go inside the base. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. Wish you good night, sweet dreams, and we're going to raid out somebody. Right, who's out there to be raided out to? Punkyfish plays Bloodborne. Well, let's raid out to Punkyfish. We haven't raided her in a while. So we're raiding out to Punkyfish. She's playing Bloodborne. I thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. I wish you all good nights with dreams, and please give some love to Punkyfish, who's playing Bloodborne. Until next time everyone, bye!